Hello, my amazing friends. Welcome back to the podcast where we'll learn real English in a fun and friendly way. I'm Ralph, and today's episode is super important and super useful. Let me ask you something. Have you ever said something in English and the person looked confused or even upset? You didn't mean to be rude, but maybe you didn't sound polite. Well, don't worry. Today, I'm going to teach you how to sound more polite in English. Not formal, not fake, just soft, respectful, and friendly, like a native speaker. And guess what? It's not hard at all. We'll learn simple words and easy tricks, and we'll practice together. So get ready to shadow, to repeat after me. Let's do this. Let's start with a simple question. What does polite mean? Polite means you speak with respect. You're kind. You think about the feelings of the other person. Let me show you two examples. Give me water. Could I have some water, please? Which one sounds nicer? Yes, the second one. It's not just about words, it's about tone, about softness, about kindness. So today, we'll learn polite questions, polite ways to say no, polite ways to ask for help, polite answers, polite corrections, and polite body language. Let's go. Let's begin with polite questions. Many students say, "Give me your phone," but this sounds very strong or even rude. Instead, try these polite forms. Could I borrow your phone? Can I use your pen for a second? Would you mind helping me? Let's shadow. Repeat after me. Could I borrow your phone? Would you mind closing the window? Can I ask you something? Nice. These small changes make a big difference. They show respect. They sound warm and friendly. Even with friends, it's good to be polite. Now let's talk about three magic words in English. They are please, thank you, sorry. These are so important and so easy to use. Let's practice. Can you help me, please? Thank you so much. I'm really sorry I'm late. You can also add words like excuse me before you speak. No problem when someone says sorry. That's okay when something goes wrong. Let's shadow. Repeat after me. Excuse me, may I ask a question? That's okay. Don't worry. No problem at all. These words make your English softer and more beautiful. Now, this is a big one. Sometimes we need to say no, but we don't want to sound angry or cold. Here are some polite ways to say no. For example, I'm sorry, but I can't. I'd love to, but I'm busy. Thanks, but maybe another time. I appreciate it, but I have to say no. Now let's practice together. Let's shadow and you repeat after me, okay? I'm sorry, but I can't help today. Thanks for asking, but I'm not free. I'd love to join, but I already have plans. See, you're not just saying no. You're saying it in a kind, gentle way. This is how native speakers do it. And now you can too. All right. Do you ever need to ask for something like help, a break, more information? Here are polite ways to ask. For example, could you help me, please? Would it be okay if I go now? Can you explain that again, please? Do you mind if I open the window? Now shadow and repeat after me. Could you speak more slowly, please? Would it be okay if I take a break? Do you mind helping me with this? These questions are friendly, soft, and easy to say. Use them every day. All right, when someone asks you something, say it kindly. Don't just say yes or no. Hear how to answer politely. Yes, sure. Of course. No, I'm sorry, not now. I'm not sure. Let me check. Now let's practice. Let's shadow, and you repeat after me. Yes, of course. No problem at all. Sorry, I don't know. I think so, but I'm not 100% sure. These are the answers native speakers use every day. Now you can use them too. Being polite is not just about words. It's also about body language. Here are some tips. Smile when you speak. Make eye contact, but not too much. Don't shout. Don't interrupt. Nod your head when listening. And if you're saying no, keep your tone soft. Let's try with a smile. I'm sorry, I can't today. No worries, that's okay. Can I help you with that? All right, can you feel it? Your tone plus your smile equals very polite English. Here are some very useful phrases that always sound polite. Would you mind if? Is it okay if? Excuse me, may I? Thank you, that was helpful. I really appreciate it. No worries. That's very kind of you. I'm afraid I can't. Now let's shadow together and you repeat after me. Would you mind if I sit here? That's very kind of you. Thank you. I'm afraid I can't join today. Repeat them often and they will become part of your English toolbox. What about writing? In emails or messages, we also need polite English. Here are some great examples. I hope you're doing well. Could you please send me the file? Thank you in advance. Looking forward to hearing from you. Best regards. Now let's shadow together and you repeat after me. I hope you're doing well. Thank you for your time. Looking forward to your reply. Even in writing, politeness is powerful. All right, before we finish, let's review some of the best polite phrases. Shadow with me and speak clearly and slowly. Could you help me, please? Would you mind if I sit here? I really appreciate your help. I'm sorry, but I can't today. Excuse me, may I ask something? Thank you so much. No worries, that's okay. Let's say one last one together. Being polite makes everything better, and it's true. Polite English helps you make friends. It helps you in class, at work, in life. And now you know how to do it. All right, guys, that's all for today, my wonderful friends. You learned how to sound more polite in English with easy words, friendly phrases, and great tone. And remember, use please, thank you, and sorry often. Ask questions softly, like could you, would you? Practice shadowing every day. Smile and speak with kindness. If you like this episode, please share it with a friend or a student. Follow the podcast and don't forget to come back and repeat. Every time you listen, you get better. Until next time, keep learning, keep smiling, and keep speaking. You're doing great. I'm proud of you. Bye for now.